Today, we're going to use a laser to create a one-of-a-kind Thanksgiving decoration for your table. Here, we have a file for your turkey design separated into 5 different sheets for different colors. On one sheet, you'll find a list of last names that will be engraved for individual place cards. The other sheet has the first names that you'll change for your customers. Spray paint each acrylic sheet one of the 5 colors you've chosen. Next, apply double stick tape to the painted side in the area you are going to be cutting. The only sheet that doesn't have tape applied is the back sheet labeled Mars. Let's begin by selecting the items on the yellow layer. Print these to the laser, choosing selection only. In the laser dashboard, we'll import the settings for cutting 1/8" acrylic. We're using a 60-watt Fusion Edge 12 for this project, so adjust your settings accordingly. Since we're also cutting through the double stick tape, we'll adjust the speed setting down to 15%. Then print the file to the laser. With the non-printed side of the acrylic facing up, press print at the laser. Now we'll move the yellow items off the page and replace them with our first color items. Print the file to the laser. In the dashboard, we can see 2 processes have been created, black for the engraved text and one for the cutouts. Let's import the settings for the text as text clip art, engraving 300 dpi. I'd like a slightly deeper engraving, so let's increase the power by 20% and set the engraving direction as bottom up. For the cutting items, import our 1/8" cutting settings and adjust the speed down by 5%. Then print the file to the laser. After the layer has completed, let's adjust a setting to make the rest of the project quicker and easier. In the laser dashboard, go to the settings, click the dashboard tab, and change new job settings to previous settings. This will allow us to use our dialed in settings for the rest of the files. Back in CorelDRAW, swap your graphics on the page with the next sheet of images. Then print the file to the laser. Now we have our previous settings ready to go, so we'll print to the laser. Continue the process with layers 4 and 5. With our engraving and cutting finished, we're ready to assemble our turkeys. Now we have these fun products ready to sell. You can customize the text on the feathers as you like. Epilog's laser systems are a great way to create unique and fun holiday products for your business.